friends, Running Kimono here, and we're talking about Walgreens clearance in today's video. And there's a lot of items that are up to 90% off. And if you are about clearance and Walgreens, this is the video for you. Please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up so I can know that you like these sort of videos. So the first piece of business is usually, when do these happen? The markdowns with the orange tags. It's usually Tuesdays or Saturdays. Do not be shy to ask a staffer, a manager. Be super nice. Hey, do you have any good clearance, or when is some certain stuff going on clearance? They might have an idea. It's always a your mileage may vary, meaning what's happening in Michigan might be completely different than what's happening in New England. Or New England might have the best clearance and we have nothing. But typically, like two states, for example, Michigan and Texas, it's always the same for clearance. Now, get out of this video for a quick second and go to your Walgreens account, digital coupons folder, and if you might have these two boosters, load them right away. The fun starts with these this weekend. So just load them and we will be in business. They're great boosters. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is clearance candy, and I know I've been talking about these Dove chocolates for a long time, but when you have a quality chocolate like Dove at 90% off, well, you can see what the people did at this store. They went completely feral and took it all, and I didn't get a single bag. However, a very good friend in Lansing started sending me photos, and she's like, hey, check this out. $1.29 it was tagged at the store, and is the 14.20 bags. If you look top left hand corner, see how it says large bag in lime green? That's what we're looking for, and that magical number. There's another smaller one that's 79 cents, but I don't have the info on that. My friend went to a different store in the Lansing area, and she looked really high, and there was an entire top shelf full of them. So you might have to look around a little bit. Unfortunately, my little stores couldn't find anything. But you know what? These are the breaks. If one shopper is going to go in and buy all 49 bags, you're just out of luck. And the next time, maybe you'll find all 49 bags, and those are the breaks, right? But I just was going to get like one or two for my mother-in-law. I wasn't going to go crazy with this one. But my friend did get a bunch, and I was very happy for her because, she just was really happy to get this. $1.29. Fantastic. She was nice enough to photograph a couple UPCs for us of the one she was finding the most of. So if you want to get a screenshot, alternatively, just go to the photo counter and ask for a price check, and employees should be like, yes, no problem. I know some stores, they might give you a difficult time with price checks, or just like they might growl at you a little bit, but you're not asking for the world. Just say, hey, possibly could I get a price check? And with these bags, always check the expiry dates too, because if it's expiring next week, I don't know if you're going to want to buy 49 bags of it. And I think Fetch Rewards has a rebate also for these chocolates, so check your account for extra money back. Also going to walk down the food aisle. Some stores might have stuff staged towards the front, but we have the Nice brand toasted O's. I think this is a newer product, but 57 cents. It doesn't expire till next July, so I thought, my in-laws might like to have this when the grandkids are visiting, just a nice little cereal. We also have the Nice brand, which is a Walgreens brand, a cinnamon apple instant oatmeal for 87 cents. Now, some of you might be like, well, what does that look like? There was boxes beside it, so I think it's very similar to this variety pack, so like a box of them. So just, always be like an investigative journalist. Just look at the tags, and at another store, if you ask for a price check, you might actually find it on clearance if it's not tagged. And we have these Kellogg's Fruit Loops, which is the cereal, $7.99 down to $1.99, so $6 of savings right there. We have the jumbo snacks of so it's like a cereal in a bag for $3.49. I think that was also $90, and there was an IBOTTA rebate. And we have the Nice brand extra virgin olive oil, $1.49. That is a steal of a deal. And the Ken's Caesar dressing for $2.49, probably a little less than that. Walk down the paper aisle again, and there's $2 or $3 off of the different Vivas. It's still that cost. I mean, they're not really budging on these prices. This is a Kimberly-Clark product, so with that P&G register reward we're getting, we can't use it with it. However, if you are able to find the 549 puffs and you want to use this P&G register reward, it will scan with the puffs, making it 49 cents, which is a killer price point for this facial tissue. And there's 3 boxes inside of there. You're either Team Puffs or Team Kleenex, a very good thing to stock up. And then we also have the Cottonelle for $6.99. So we have quite a bit of savings there at 301. Wait till we get like a $2 digital coupon or something better with Fetch, and those will start flying out of the store. But paper products, yeah, they really haven't dove deeper than that. Now, another product that I was surprised that turned out to be a little moneymaker for me are these Prime. It's the hydration stick. So you pour it inside of a glass or some water. And what happened, they're $1.29 each. And I got a 5 back on the purchase of sanitary napkins, weight management, or vitamins. So I can just go find, a lot of sanitation pads are on clearance, or vitamins are very cheap. I can use this and pay very little out of pocket. So I am delighted with this. So if you find those Primes on clearance, 2 per transaction, and it's printing this. There's a barcode at the end, but I'm not showing it because obvious reasons. Okay, we also have the Pedialyte Sport. I think Pedialyte for the longest time was a company for like toddlers. So I guess they have an electrolyte company. $9.79. A lot of the stuff like sports rehab vitamins also on clearance. This one, a vitamin C complex for $3.89, and it's on a buy one get one free. We have the Centrum for $10.19, and those are the larger containers, so I am loving that. And lots of pain relief, arthritic relief, these little things to wrap. This one is $7.49 for the knee. Now we have the Flamingo brand razors. Lots of this stuff is on clearance. I don't think it did very well over at Walgreens. And then we have the shavers as well. I don't really enjoy this razor that much. I am more of a chic Gillette girl. We also have the Toms and Mitchum deodorant, lots of them that were, dangling at 75 or, 70% off for the longest time, all 90%. This is a Gillette one as well, 80 cents. It was purchased right away. Tweezers, like anything for grooming. I saw a lot of waxing stuff, also 90% off. So definitely be on the lookout in that specific aisle. You might be shocked what you find. Dollar Shave Club 2 for the longest time on clearance in that aisle. Okay, final part of this video is a lot of the cleaner as well. Right now, a lot of it's still at 50%, but if you get it scanned, you never really know. Or sometimes the app, it's a little bit cheaper, so you might want to look in your app too for where you live. It might be a bit cheaper. That Mr. Clean, if you could find 3, there was a promotion last week. Buy 3, get back a $3 register reward, but not this week, unfortunately, net. And then these Clorox disinfectant wipes, so they are individually packed, really nice for your purse at $2.99. I would like to see it at 57 cents. There wouldn't be a single one left because everybody would go feral in the store for those. Forget the Dove chocolate. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.